How you doing? Maker Max here. We are going to be putting a new oil filter. It's pretty easy to do. Doesn't take very long. Let's get started. Going to need a couple of spanners, can to catch some oil. Alright, let's get started. First thing you want to do on your boiler is you want to make sure you turn off the power so it doesn't turn on when you're working on it. That'd be a bad day. Next, you need to shut the oil off before and after the filter. These are weird. You loosen them and then push down. You're going to want to put a catch can underneath. You're going to take a wrench and loosen this top bolt. Alright, we're going to take the old filter. We're going to put it in the bag. You know, check on the bottom. It's got some crud in there, so I'm just going to clean that out. Alright, inspect this rim, make sure there's nothing in there that's nasty, no crud, anything that shouldn't be there. Install your new filter. Alright, and do not reuse that. I'm going to just wipe the bottom of this. Pull out this bolt, and there's a gasket on there. You get a new one in the kit, so don't reuse that. Here's the new gasket. And when you're working, don't undo that bottom bolt. Install the new gasket. And we're going to screw it back together. Okay. This is your bleed screw. Put a wrench on that. This is going to allow the oil to come out and get any air out of there while this fills up. This too has a little gusset or gasket. It's got a little gasket. You have to replace that. New gasket. Next, open up your valves. You're going to loosen this bleed screw a little bit. Just hand tighten it and turn on the unit. And then loosen this until stuff comes out. Alright, a couple things. You want to turn your oil burner back on. It might fire up, it might not. You should put a pan here. And there's a bleed valve. You see right there. And you want to flip that until it comes out clear. See the bubbles in it? That's no good. So we're going to let it run for a bit. There we go. That means all the bubbles are out. That means there's no more air in the line. We're going to tighten that down. And on top of the filter, this is our bleed screw, so we'll open that up until oil comes out of that. Don't go too far, it'll go squirting all over, make a mess. There we go, we got some oil leaking out of there. I'm just going to wiggle it. Alright, and you'll see some bubbles sometimes. So once you don't see any more bubbles, we'll tighten that back up. We'll double check down here, bleed that again. Alright, that looks pretty clear. Alright, we got good flame up here. Look at that.